Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to make an Instagram highlight without a name. So in order to create an Instagram highlight without a name, you need to follow these steps. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram application and log in. Click the profile initials from the bottom right corner and click on new. So I'm gonna create a new highlight. So for example, I'm just gonna simply go ahead and add this, all right? So click the next button. So now then you have these sections where you need to go ahead and add a name, right? So for that, what you want to do is, since it does not allow, so you want to exit out of this page and open up your browser, Safari or Chrome browser, and type in blank character. So I would like to go with the come part. You could go and click that out, and this is the one. So all you need to do is hold on to this particular character, just like that. Or you could just scroll down, hold on to it like this, and click on the copy button. So if this is not working out, what you could also do is go to this invisible character, then click on copy to clipboard. So you then have copied this, open up your Instagram, and here you could go ahead and paste it. So now then you will click on a done button, and you've successfully added the highlights without a name. So now you have these highlight without a name. And similarly, if this is quite difficult for you, then you could simply tap on it and then add this out, click the next button, and you would just give a dot. This is also going to help you out. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.